Hey guys, welcome back. This is a short little video, maybe a bit longer. Guys, if you buy some plantain and it's not well ripe, there's another way where you can do it and enjoy it. So guys, I put my pan on and I'm putting some oil in. I for this is a cup. That's a cup of oil. I think that should be okay. Yeah, that's a cup of oil. That's 240 ml. Yeah. And guys, how you can do it, you just peel your plantain. Now this is not fully ripe. I like when it's well ripe. And what I do, I peel it like that. Leave the skin, because you're going to need the skin. Yeah, so I just cut it like that. Just slant, don't cut it like that, just a slant way. And that way, yeah, so you get it this slant way. Yeah, and when the oil is hot, you add it to the oil and okay. So make sure the oil is hot. So you keep this piece because you're gonna use this to crush your plantain, and then you're gonna put it back in the pan. And guys, it is really nice. If it's really green, you can do this as well, but then you put a bit of salt on it and rub it up, and then you'll put it in the pan. So I think that need warming up a bit more. So make sure it's hot. So I'm not going to put any salt in this one because it's a bit ripe, so I don't need it to. And then what I have here, guys, I have a plate here, and then I just put some paper towel in it. So then when I take out the plantain, I will just put it on here. Yeah, I have it on the side there. I use this to fish it out. I need a fork for that. I need a big fork. So guys, I'm just showing you how you can have your plantain as well. And if you feel like it's not too ripe, you can do it like this. And you start to brown a bit in there. Then start to change color. Yeah, and you turn it, and then what you do, you just crush it and put it back. Nice. So we used to get the green plantain, and we used to do it like that, but we used to just sprinkle a bit of salt in it, and do it like this, and it's really nice, guys. So it's ready now. So I'll do this. I'll be using the plantain, the skin of it, and squeeze it down on it like that. And then when I take it out, it looked like that. It's crushed. And so I'll be putting it back in there. Crush it, just put the skin down and you crush it in there and you get it flat. Turn this down a bit. So then it won't burn your hand. Show you this, guys, and it's really nice when you do it like that. I'll do it like this. So that's the last one. Big it up, big it up. Yes, guys, I'll be showing my plantain when it finished and show you what it looked like. Yeah, and guys, you can try this at home. You can get these, your plantain. I've seen the supermarkets selling them as well. So guys, if they are not ripe or half ripe, you can still get the green ones and do them like that. You just peel it, cut them out that way. Then you put your oil in, and then you, when it start to change color, you turn it around, turn it over. Then you take it out. Don't throw away the skin, because you need the skin to crush it down on. And if it's green, you need a bit of salt on it. If it's off ripe, you don't need any salt, guys. So yeah, so because this is off ripe, I don't need salt in there. So I just turn it over, and it is so nice, guys. You can have a go at it. So guys, I'll show you my plantain, or the way I did it. So guys, you're gonna have it like that. Yes, guys, and this is really nice. Okay, put it there. So I use my paper towel to catch the bit of excess oil on there. And yes, guys, so this is really nice. If you get up in the morning and you're not going to work and you have some plantain at home, and you want to have some, this is nice. I don't turn up the fire too high because I don't want it burned and it's not cooked inside. So yeah, make sure it's done inside the middle as well. Because if you turn the fire too high, it make it burnt and not cooked properly. And that's my plantain, guys, that I crushed. And that's it's coming up, guys. Just one plantain and you get all these bits. Just one plantain and you get all that. There. Yeah. And then I'm finished, guys. Finished with my plantain, fried plantain. So this is lovely. Then I'll be turning off my cooker. And guys, this is what you'll get. Yeah. And it is nice, crispy and nice. Yeah. So next time, if you have some plantain and it's not too ripe, you can do it like that. Just crush it, put it back. And so guys, have a lovely day. Take care of yourself. Bye.